morning, this is Amir Hamid. You might be thinking that this is my second vlog in this week. Why? Because one of my friends said me that I have to stop making excuses and start working. And I know you're looking. Yeah, you. I'm talking about you, my friend. You're looking and you would be smiling. I can see those teeth coming out. So yeah, jokes apart. I was thinking to stop making excuses and start working. And today I am going to explore something. So let's go. So I'm back again. The reason I came here today is that there is a food market which is from like Monday till like tomorrow, Sunday, and every year we have this food market, and the people came from different countries and represent their food. For example, from Africa, France, Spain, Germany, America, England. So that's why I came here, to show you around and also to get some good thing to eat. Waiting for the cycle to go by. No, there is no other cycle, so that's why I came here, and I'm gonna show you around. So let's go. Nice experience having a different countries at one place, serving their food, different kinds of food which I had never had before, and it was really nice to have such kind of events and markets in your town where you go and enjoy. And today is a really nice, beautiful day here in Jönköping. I think it would be 24 26 degrees, and I hope you like my vlog. Give a thumbs up if you like it, and comment down below if you think that I need to improve something, or you want me to shoot about something here in Jönköping or in Sweden. Just let me know, and do subscribe my channel, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.